A SWOT analysis is a strategic planning tool used to identify and analyze the strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats related to a project, business, or other entity. It helps in strategic planning and decision-making by providing a comprehensive overview of internal and external factors affecting the entity, assisting in identifying areas for improvement and growth opportunities. Let's look at the components of a SWOT analysis, with definitions and examples. Strengths, defined as the internal attributes and resources that support a successful outcome. Some examples are strong brand reputation, loyal customer base, high-quality products or services, skilled workforce, and a robust financial position. Weaknesses, defined as internal factors that could impede success, examples of which are poor financial management, limited product range, weak online presence, high employee turnover, and inefficient processes. Opportunities, defined as external factors the entity could exploit to its advantage, such as emerging markets, technological advancements, changes in consumer preferences, strategic partnerships, and market expansion. Threats, defined as external factors that could cause trouble for the entity, for example, economic downturns, increasing competition, regulatory changes, technological disruptions, and negative publicity. To conduct a SWOT analysis, start with preparation by clearly defining the objective of the SWOT analysis and gather a diverse team to provide varied perspectives. Move on to the data collection. For internal analysis, collect data on internal strengths and weaknesses, which can include financial records, employee surveys, customer feedback, and operational reports. For external analysis, gather information on external opportunities and threats from sources such as market research, industry reports, competitor analysis, and pest analysis, political, economic, social, and technological factors. Have a brainstorming session to list all possible strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats, grouping all these factors under the 4 SWOT categories. Evaluate the impact of each factor on the entity and prioritize factors based on their significance and urgency. Formulate strategies that leverage strengths, address weaknesses, capitalize on opportunities, and mitigate threats. And finally, create a detailed action plan with timelines, responsibilities, and measurable goals. A SWOT analysis provides a thorough understanding of internal and external factors, offering strategic insights that can inform decision-making. It can help focus on the most critical issues affecting the entity, leading to the development of actionable strategies and plans. It also encourages collaboration and diverse perspectives in the analysis process. There are, however, limitations to a SWOT analysis, as they can be subjective, depending on who is conducting it. They also provide a snapshot in time and may not account for rapidly changing environments. They can oversimplify complex issues by categorizing them into just 4 areas, and without proper evaluation, it might not prioritize issues effectively. SWOT analysis is a versatile and powerful tool that, when used effectively, can provide valuable insights and guide strategic planning and decision-making. By understanding and leveraging your strengths, addressing weaknesses, capitalizing on opportunities, and mitigating threats, you can improve your chances of success in various endeavors.